Rastafari, Jah Light reasoning. Hear this, youth them. Me see a generation born with screen in them hand, but lion heart still beating on them chest. Understand? Them show them war before them teach them who them be. Babylon curriculum, not no African degree. From early them a scroll through pain and lies, but truth still sparkle deep inside them eyes. Them ask question elders never get fi ask, so them call it rebel, but a wisdom them ask. Gen Z, children of the now, born in a storm, but them still know. Fi all of faith when the world break down. Jah Light say stand firm, hold ground. Gen Z, see the prophecy. Modern time youth with ancient memory. Last that times but spiritually free. Rastafari live in them frequency. Me watch them youth them balance faith and doubt. Search for Jah while the night try drown them out. Mental chains heavy but them talk it true. Healing is a work them brave enough to do. Them now bow easy to king or crown, cause them see how Babylon let kings fall down. Them build tribe online but heart still pure. Searching for roots them spirit sure. Ancient drum beat in a modern soul. Lion cub learn fear that grow. Gen Z, children of the now, born in a storm but them still know. Feel all of faith when the world break down. Jah Light say stand firm, hold ground. Gen Z, see the prophecy. Modern time youth with ancient memory. Last that times but spiritually free. Rastafari live in them frequency. Some of them stray, yes me not deny, cause the path get narrow when truth get high. But you never turn him face away. Every lost sheep still hear him say, come home youth, the gate still wide. Your ancestors walk right by your side. From Maroon Hill to Concrete Lane, same bloodline run through the vein. Beat the drum, calling it Rastafarian. No gun, no cheat, only love remain. Gen Z, rising a Jah Light, no fear the dark, you carry sight. From digital dust to Zion, I Jah Light guide you day and night. Gen Z, torch bearer youth, time reveal them power and truth. When Babylon fall and illusion flee, Rastafari still in them frequency. Ancient roots,